Whatever your target score in PT is, if you focus on these 5 tasks, there is a very high chance that you will get a very, very high score. I will also add a bonus tip at the end, so make sure you watch the video till the end. I'm Malcolm. One of the most important tasks which will actually get you your speaking score is describe image. It is no secret, but please understand that you need to focus on 2 or 3 main trends in every image rather than trying to cover everything. Also, don't speak too fast. If you speak too fast, it might appear to the software that you are using a memorized template, even if it's not. So speak at a natural pace and cover 2 to 3, maximum 4 major trends in every image. Try to use ly words like firstly, secondly, lastly. These words also help in the speaking score. It almost contributes almost 31% of your speaking points out of 90. Moving on to writing. Well, write essay is one question which will either make or break your writing score. So many of you might have experienced that you're getting 90 in speaking, 90 in listening, but your writing score is in 60s, sometimes even 50s or early 70s. Why is that happening? Mainly because of write essay. Please understand 4 to 5 things matter the most in write essay. First, logical development and coherence in your structure. If your structure doesn't make sense logically, the software most likely will give you a 0. Second very important thing is writing complex sentences. At least some of the sentences should be complex in a detailed explanatory way in the body paragraphs. Number 3, always explain your sentences with a reason or a cause or an effect. If you don't explain your sentences properly, you will definitely end up getting a very poor score in sentence formation. Number 4 is vocabulary. Vocabulary again plays a very important role these days. Most of the people struggle in PT writing because they use very basic vocabulary. If you don't use advanced academic vocabulary or academic collocation in your writing essay task, then most likely your score will be very low. Number 5 tip for write essay is the conclusion. Don't write a diplomatic conclusion. Make sure that you choose any one side if it's a double-sided question in the essay, and always paraphrase your conclusion. Don't write it word to word as your introduction, otherwise the software again will most likely penalize your writing score and give you a very poor score. The third very important task is summarize group discussion, which is the new task in PT, which was added in 2025. Summarize group discussion, you will get 2 to 3 questions, most likely 3 questions, very lengthy audio tasks. You need a proper plan where you are taking notes on your sheet in columns. Always there are 3 speakers mostly, so you have to make 3 columns. You have to take notes quickly in shorthand. Make sure that you don't mismatch the information of speaker 1 with the information of speaker 2 and like that for speaker 3. If you present incorrect information in your answer, most likely your listening score will suffer. Summarize group discussion contributes very heavily to listening and also to the speaking score. And you'll get generally 3 questions. Try to speak for at least 90 seconds for your answer in each answer. The fourth important task, still important, is repeat sentence. It is the second task of speaking, contributes to listening and speaking both. You will approximately have 6 to 10 questions, anywhere in between these. Your content matters very much. Try to focus normal fluency. Even if you are 70% accurate with your content, you will still get 8 in listening easily. If your other listening tasks like summarize group discussion and summarize spoken text and retail lecture have proper content. Last but not the least is write from dictation. The last task in the exam where you get 3 to 4 questions. If you're lucky, you'll get 4. Otherwise, normally you get 3 questions. Each sentence has 8 to 10 words which you need to type exactly in the same sequence as you hear them. Sequencing is very important in write from dictation. You must make sure that you don't add extra words. I mean, add as little extra words, as few extra words as possible, my bad, so that the software isn't confused and doesn't penalize your writing score. Writing additional words will most likely reduce your writing score. If you are still watching the video, I said I'll share a bonus tip, and that is for summarize written text. It is also one of the very, very important tasks in writing and contributes to both reading and writing. You will always get 2 questions where you write a single answer summary of 5 to 75 words. The sweet spot would be somewhere around 50 to 70 words. Make sure that you don't use outdated templates or structures for summarize written text. Make sure that you paraphrase your answer. Make sure you don't copy paste exactly the same sentences line by line. Make sure you don't change only 4 or 5 words. You need to change the voice of the sentences. If a sentence is an active voice, for example, for the 47th president of USA is Donald Trump, you have to make it into passive voice, like Donald Trump is the 47th president of USA. So these things are very important. Use synonyms and at least change 30% of your answer, write in your own words. If you found value in this video, if you need one-on-one classes, whether it's for writing or for speaking or any module, if your score is not coming in the real PTE exam, we do provide customized one-on-one training, which is very effective and reasonably priced within your budget. Plus, you'll also get access to our portal, free access if you take the classes for mockmaster.ai. For any more inquiries, make sure you comment. And I'm Malcolm. Good luck.